Hi guys, this is Eunice and happy Labor Day to you. Hi. I'm a hot mess today. I'm just chilling out and everything. And I did just pack some orders here. I got 4 orders, so I've already packed this and I've already packed this one. But I left the other 2 orders out. Get out of the way, Harley. Um, because they're book orders and I did say that I wanted to show you how I package my book orders. I have 2 book orders. This one here, by Brad Meltzer, The Escape Artist. This is a good book, it's a fiction book, and you can see it's already in a plastic container. I'm just not on my sleeve, and everything, and I'm not gonna take it out the sleeve. I'm just gonna leave it right in there. And then we have this nice thick old book here, which is the Western Music. This is a nice book, and I think this was like $30. Yeah, they paid $30 for this. Now this is going to go into this, and the other one is going to go into one of these mailers, and I'm going to show you how I package these orders real quick. Okay. First of all, since Brad Meltzer is going to go into the mailer, he's going to get this here. And I always do this and so forth, especially when I use those mailers and so forth. I secure the books. I don't want these corners getting damaged or anything like that. I don't want this book damaged in any way fashionable. And it's already been examined again and so forth, because I always take a look at the books even though I know that they're not damaged, because I clean each book, or inspect each book that I get, when I'm listing them and so forth. So what I'm going to do here is take this board that I've already cut out and everything and measure, and I'm going to do it like this. And I'm going to put some tape on it and all that, because I want this here good, because I want all corners done and all that. So when I get this tape started here, I'm going to go ahead and put some tape around it. Like that. So that it'll stay down. Okay, so he is secure and all that. So I always give out a little pouch as well. So I'm going to show you that in a minute as well. So also too, not only am I going to secure him this way with the cardboard box and so forth, I'm also going to wrap him up into this here paper here. I mean bubble wrap, sorry. And I'm going to cut the bubble wrap and everything, and just going to do right here. And then I have some of this tape here. And if I can, I even wrap these corners, as long as the tape allow me to do so. So, and I think it is allowing me to do so. Just get those corners off out of the way. So, going to, and same here, going to do the corners here. This is just a way to protect the book in its corners. So I did the little corner thing and all that. So before I put it into the thing, I'm going to put my labels on there. And I keep my labels for my books in this little folder thing here. And I always do a sticker with Chauvet Books. Stick it here. And I I do another label here. And I do this. And it takes some time for me to actually peel these things off. But I'm going to try to do so as quickly as I can. Oh, sometimes I hate it. Okay, comes off. Okay. So, we're also going to do this book like this. And I'm going to put another little piece of tape on this right here because it does not want to stay down. Okay. So this is the book here. You got my little label. I crossed my address out because this is at your box that I got a package in and everything. And I'm recycling it to do it. So you have the Chauzy books here, and then you have the little Chauzy book there. And this is how your book comes in. And then I'm going to stick it in here. And seal it up. And then put the address on. Of course, I'm going to put the invoice inside here. And also with a little free gift and all that. So this is how this will come. It's sturdy. It's, you know, got the cushion. So if this money just toss it, it's not going to get damaged. Okay, so that is that. So now let me show you how I do this one. Okay. I actually do this one a little bit different because I do use tissue paper then because it is a box. I do put the tissue paper in the box like this. I'll try to measure it up pretty close. Like that. And I don't wrap this box up and so far because I'm going to be putting it in a box. But I am going to wrap it up with the bubble wrap. And this is just to secure it, to make sure that, you know, this book does not get damaged. And we're going to do this. We're going to still do our ends like this. Still going to fold our ends up and everything. And I know a lot of people may not take all the time to do this, or they do their books different. That's okay. Everybody is different. So here we go. Going to take the other end up as well. Okay, tape sticking to my fingers instead of my. Okay. All right. Going to take this side, this end up as well. Okay. Now that we have this secured in our bubble wrap, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put my sticker on here. On here. And then I'm going to also do one of the labels here. Going to do the same thing with the label. Now with this book here, I have to put a little bit of paper around it so that it does not, you know, move around. So I will be doing that as well. And as I said, this thing here is like, oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, got it. Okay. Right here. So you have a little book here. So now I'm going to also do some paper here, craft paper. I'm going to put it in here. And the reason I'm doing this, and this is how you get the book here. And as you can see, there is no movement in this box and so forth with this book. So even though it did have some space and so forth and everything, and when I seal it up, I'll go ahead and seal this part up. I'll seal this up, and I'll seal this part up. So it will get completely sealed up. And I might adjust this paper a little bit because it's not laying flat as it should be and all that, and everything. But that is how I package my books and everything. So yeah, that is how I package my book. I'm going to take some of this out, take a piece of this out. So that is the thing too much. I will use that for something else. So there we go, flatter. Okay, so this is our big book and so far. So these are the two ways that I ship the books. I ship them this way and I ship them this way. So just want to, give you guys a, show you how I package my books and everything. And happy Labor Day again, to everybody. Stay safe, be blessed, and all that good stuff and everything. And I'll see you on the next video, I guess, and all that. So thank you for taking the time. Bye.